So in this video we have broken hinges. As you can see, the hinges are actually out. So basically there is nothing holding up the screen, as you can see. So we're going to fix this today. I'm going to show you how we are going to do so. So we are going to start by removing the screws. And then we are going to remove this bezel. This is the front bezel. Removing this. Also, we need to remove this ribbon here, and also we have the screen, the antenna ribbon to remove. We also have the front camera as well. Okay, so normally I like to remove the LCD screen first, right? So there's a little bit of tape here. There's a little bit of tape here. Let me zoom in so you can see. So there's a little bit of tape here, and we have some on the other side as well. So the easiest way is to remove the tape. As you notice, they didn't give us any good amount of extra tape to pull. So this is the most easiest way to remove the screen. I have to do the other side, so the screen will now be more easy to lift. As you can see, I'm going to do the other side. So I have to heat the back of the cover in order to get the screen off, because you don't want to force it. So let me show you if I can show you how I'm going to do that now. Guys, you just heat off the other side. So what I like to do is that I like to test to ensure that we are on the right track. The screen is fully functioning, no damage, That's what I like to check before proceeding. So guys, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be testing to ensure that everything is good with the screen. We had to heat the other part at the back of the panel for the screen. So we're just going to verify that everything is legit before we continue. So I've already seen that the laptop is coming on and you're seeing everything good. Everything is lovely, everything is working. We also have the Wi-Fi antenna. So these back covers, they're quite fragile. So we still need to be very, very careful. So we're going to just trace back the wire for, we're going to trace the wire for the camera. So guys, we have already installed the webcam. We have already run the wire for the webcam and also for the Wi-Fi. So all we have to do is to just stick the screen and we're good to go. So what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna take the plastic off. That's one. That's two. And guys, this is what we're going to be doing here now. We're going to ensure everything is the way it should be. So guys, we are looking good. We just put back in the screen, and all we have to do is to put this on and we're done. So yeah, let me just do that quickly and then we're done. So everything fit perfectly so far. There are some clips that we have to put in here. So let me show you. And just like that, we are completed. So guys, we are done. And that's how you fix your broken laptop hinge. As you can see, this one broken out of the laptop back cover. So guys, we are done. We are going to power on the computer one more time. So I need to plug in the charger, and then we're going to turn on. So we are done. I hope that this video was helpful in some way. If it was, you can let me know in the comment section. If you need any advice or help with anything, you can let me know. I'm out. If you're new to my channel, go right ahead, like and subscribe.